I've been coming down the lake here for some time, different parts of the year, obviously, but I've never seen these types of birds. And it's funny because it looks like they all are hiding and then they like running on the water. It's like baby birds doing baby steps, but there's thousands of these birds. I don't even know what they're called. It's pretty cool. Anyway, Happy New Year, and that's pretty much, it's a beautiful day. It's like 50 degrees, 45. Global warming. It's taking over. Saw another guy down here, he's got a Sony, he's got the same lens, the 70 to 200. I should say, hey, how you like your lens? I love it, man.